Hi, I'm Sonia from Presidency School in Layout, Bangalore. I'm going to explain you about how I did my Google Keep project. So Google Keep allows you to put each and every note like a sticky note how you do it. Google Keep is also a tool which allows you to put sticky notes however you wish. Come, let's have a look of how I did my project. Okay, coming to the first one, as this is what the topic is asked. So what to do is uh, keeping the notes of your core task. The topic is keeping a note of your core task. So we have been asked to go through the Google course videos, and then we have gone through the Google course videos. And after going through the Google course videos, the things what we have done is what is explained to you now. Coming to the first one, just imagine you have to teach some topic. So I have to imagine that I have to teach some topic. My topic I've taken as blue jay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste the link of the topic and then put it as a note in Google Keep. So the first thing what I'm going to do, so after that I'll have to just change the color of the note. So that the first thing asks, so go to Google Keep, there's a title here. I'm just giving the title here as blue jay, and then I go to the internet, browse for the blue jay topic. So I go to the internet, browse for blue jay. So here I just go down there and I get something like, well, it will be nice if it's a blue jay Wikipedia. I just go to blue jay Wikipedia, copy that link, and I go back to this, yeah, keep, and then in the note, and just paste it. Secondly, what I'm doing is I'm just going to YouTube, search for a blue jay video. Now click on that video, copy the link of that video, go to Google Keep Note and paste it. So I pasted two things. One is Wikipedia, other one is Blue Jay. The next one is, you can see the thumbnail of it. Next one is, you can see the color code to be changed, the color of the note to be changed. I'll have to just click on the color and then select the color. So I'm selecting blue color, it will change to blue. If I click on purple, it will change to purple and all that. You can change whichever color you wanted to give for the note. So the first point is done. Coming to the second one is, you have to you have found some motivational poster on the net. So what I'm going to do is I have to find a motivational poster, convert that poster into a text. Before that, I'll have to create a label, name this quote, and then do it. So I go to Google Keep and I click on create new label, name it as quote, click on done. The label is created. Now just go to internet, browse for a quote, go to the internet and browse for a quote. So I just go to the net and browse for a quote. So already I have, don't worry about failure, that's a quote I have chosen, and I will be downloading into my system. And after I've downloaded, I just name it as motivational, click on save. And after that I come to Google Keep, I go to click on new, and then click on that image because I'm going to add a new image to the note. So I just go there, select my picture, so okay, this picture is here, motivational, and I give this one. So the picture is selected and it has come to the note also. Now what I have to do is I have to convert that text into a normal text. So what I have to just make a click outside so that it becomes a note there, and then you'll have to see more option there, and in that more option you have to go and click on grab image text. The text whatever appears on the image will come separately. So this is how I have done with the second one. So this is how I grab it, and then what I am going to do is just click on more and I click on add text. So the text will be added and I can just go to quote, and that's how I done the second one. Coming to the third one is create a checklist of the lesson plan for your students and check mark the topics that have been covered in the class. Whichever topic is covered, I'm just putting a check mark. So everything will be scored off. So yeah, I'm just clicking on the few topics whichever I have. So I'm just checking on the few topics whichever is covered. You can just see it's all coming down like it's scored off, striken through. Below, if you see, it's all striken through. Whichever topics are covered is all striken through. So that's the next one. The next one is create a note which has the details about the workshop that you're planning to attend on a particular day and add reminder. So I've created a note again. Uh, Okay, now I'm going to show you how to. I already have created a note. So this is the note I'll be showing. Just the note is created about the workshop. Okay, happy think happy everyday workshop, and I will change the color of. No, okay, the color of the note. I have to just create a reminder. So in order to create a reminder, click on this remind me button, pointing tool, and I'll have to just create it. So I can just give it tomorrow, and I can change the date and the time settings all. So I'm just changing date and the time setting for the reminder to be given. I'm just setting it to the afternoon, and then I'm just giving don't repeat option. So after I'm giving doesn't repeat, so just save it. So the reminder is created, and you can see the reminder there. And the next one is create a note with a drawing in which you would like to explain some process cycle of anything. I am going to explain the first topic of Blue Jay, the principles of OOPS. So let I have to just insert a drawing. So I just click on the note. Okay, I click on the note. I am just giving the note as Blue Jay. So I'll just give it as Blue Jay. Sorry. I'm just giving it as Blue Jay. Now I have to click on Google Drawing, add image, or you go here and then add drawing. And in the drawing, I'm going to draw the data. So I'm just showing you how to draw in Google Drawing. This is how I've drawn in Google Drawing. So just taken all the use of the tools available in Google Drawing. I've just done. I'll be taking the pen tool to write. So I'll be writing it. I'm writing OOPS, object-oriented programming structures. Yes, object-oriented programming structure, and I'll be showing you the different objects of the object-oriented programming structure. So I draw the arrow mark, and I'll have to just drawing. So everything goes in drawing. So I draw one more circle, and then fill the details again. Draw the circles around, and I just fill it with all the data. My note is created, and my note is now created in. So if you see all this, the drawing is ready, and I'll be writing some data. The note is also created, and this is how I implemented. Just go back, you can see the note. You can just name it as process cycle, and I'm clicking on done. So the note is already created in Google Keep. Copy all the above notes to the Google Docs. So how did I do that? Copying is more, then copy to Google Docs. So repeat it for all the four things whatever you have done. So more, copying to Google Docs will be appearing below, and you can see here everywhere copying it to Google Docs. So go to more and copy to Google Docs. So all the four data will be copied to Google Docs. You can also verify by clicking on the open doc. So if you click on the open doc, you can see the data are being copied to your Google Doc. The first data, the second data, the third data, and the fourth data. So this is all the data are being copied to the Google Docs. So what I have done is I have made all the required features, making a check note I have done, adding notes I have done, changing color, creating label, adding notes, adding images, all these things are done. Thank you, Miss Juniors.